In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly log out of Microsoft OneDrive on a PC. Sometimes we need a quick exit from our OneDrive account, whether it's for security reasons or simply to switch accounts. Whatever your reason may be, I'll walk you through the process in a few easy steps and it should take no more than 5 minutes. To start, look at the bottom right corner of your screen to locate the taskbar. Here, you should see various icons, and among them will be the OneDrive Cloud icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to managing OneDrive and taking control of your settings. Once you click on the cloud icon, a small window will open. From here, direct your attention to the gear icon labelled Settings. Click on that. We're now delving deeper into the settings area, where more options about your OneDrive account are housed. Now that you've opened the settings menu, you'll see different tabs across the top. Make sure to select the Account tab. By doing so, you'll gain access to all the options that pertain to your OneDrive account. This tab is crucial because it holds the key to unlinking your PC from OneDrive. Here, you need to find the option that says unlink this PC. It's probably the most important part of this process because it is essentially the command you need to log out of OneDrive. Clicking this will not only log you out but also disconnects your PC from the account, ensuring that your files and data remain secure and uninterrupted on other devices. After you've clicked unlink this PC, a confirmation box will pop up asking you to approve this action with another click on unlink account. Ensuring this step is essential, it double checks your intent and makes sure that this is what you want to do. By confirming this action, you are telling OneDrive that you're sure you want to log out and disconnect this device from accessing your files. Once you've successfully unlinked the account, OneDrive will provide a prompt asking if you'd like to sign back in. This option is available right away if you change your mind or switch to another account. In case you need to access OneDrive again, it's as easy as signing back in with your details, and there you have it, your OneDrive account is now logged out and the PC is unlinked. This ensures that your data remains secure and you have peace of mind about your OneDrive account usage. Remember, if you ever wish to log back in, just follow the prompts to sign in again. Thank you for watching and following along, and I hope this guide was helpful for your OneDrive needs.